Good morning everyone. I am Naman of grade 3rd Tagore will share the views of how I celebrate Diwali. This year I celebrate Diwali with great joy and excitement. My family and I cleaned and decorated our house with colorful lights, diyas and rangoli. People wore clothes and offered prayers to Goddess Lakshmi for peace and prosperity. In the evening, we enjoyed delicious sweets and spent time together. We avoided bursting crackers to keep our environment clean and safe. It was a wonderful and memorable Diwali full of happiness and love. Thank you.